Good morning students. Today we are going to learn how to insert data in table using different ways. First of all, we check database present, show databases. Then I will open database 12th, use 12th. Select star from STU. Now I will insert data, insert into STU values 7 Anubhav, marks 97, send. Now again I will insert one more record, roll number 8, Sakshi, comma, none means undefined, unassigned value. That means I am not giving any value present. And you can see null is not written within inverted comma as it is a keyword. Select star from STU. STU is a table name. You can see Sakshi now. Here I can write field names, roll number, name. Nine. Kiran. Select star from STU. You can see I have written two field names and two entries. 9 Kiran. Marks is missing, so it is here null. So in this way you can insert null. Now I will create a table STU1, field name, roll number, data type int, constant primary key, name, varchar 30, marks, int. STU1 table is already present, so we can give another name to our table, STU2. So our table is created with name STU2 because STU1 was already there. Now insert into STU2. Select star from STU where marks is null. We should check our records. Select star from STU2. You can see all the null records are there. So according to your wish, you can give the conditions. Suppose I give condition here where roll number is equal to 1. Let's start from STU2. You can see here roll number 1. So class, thank you.